Hey everyone, check out the DIUSEO Indoor Basketball Hoop, perfect for kids ages 5 to 12. This mini hoop features LED lights and an electronic scoreboard that keeps track of every point scored, with 2 sound modes to cheer or stay silent. It's easy to install on most doors and includes 3 rubber balls, a steel rim basket, and all the tools you need. Made from durable ABS plastic and metal, it's designed to withstand countless shots while protecting your door with a shock-proof sponge strip. The spring-function breakaway rim bends up to 60 degrees, making dunking fun and safe for kids and parents alike. This hoop encourages active play, improves hand-eye coordination, and helps kids take a break from screens. Plus, it makes a great gift for birthdays or holidays, adding sporty fun to any room. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.